In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert leads to deals and contacts in Zoho CRM. Converting a lead is one of the most useful actions in Zoho CRM because it helps you move information forward into the next stage of your sales process. Instead of keeping a lead as just a potential person, you can turn it into a deal, and you can also create or update the related contact and account records. First, click Sales. This takes you into the area of Zoho CRM where your pipeline and selling activities are organized. You should see options related to sales records, including leads, opportunities, and deals, depending on your setup. Next, click Leads. This is where all your lead records are stored. Take a moment to scan the list and find the lead you want to convert. It can help to use search or filters if you have many leads. Now open the lead you want to convert. Click the specific lead record so that you are viewing its details page. On this screen, you should be able to review basic information that the lead represents, such as the person or company details, and any notes or history you have already added. This step matters because converting is based on the information on the lead, and you will have a chance to review what will be carried over. After you are on the correct lead, click Convert. This is the action that starts the conversion flow. Zoho CRM will then guide you through creating the next records. The conversion process is designed so you can decide what you want to create and what information should be linked together. When the conversion options appear, select Create New Deal. This tells Zoho CRM that you want to move the lead into a new deal rather than only updating existing records. If your workflow involves tracking progress from a newly created opportunity stage, creating a new deal is typically the best choice. At this point, you should see sections for contact and account details, along with deal information. Zoho CRM will often bring over data from the lead, but you should still review everything carefully. Take a moment here, because this is where small corrections can prevent issues later on. Next, review or edit the contact and account details. Look for fields such as the contact name and the related organization details. If something is missing or incorrect, update it now. This ensures that the contact record matches the lead accurately and that the account information is properly connected. Even if the lead already has the correct information, reviewing helps you confirm that the right person and company are represented. After you confirm the contact and account details, enter the deal information. This is where you set up the deal so it can enter your sales pipeline. You will typically provide the key deal fields required by your Zoho CRM process, such as the deal name, relevant dates, and any other deal attributes your CRM asks for. Enter the information based on what you know right now, and use consistent wording so your team can recognize the deal quickly. Once the deal details are entered and everything looks correct, click Convert again. This final click completes the conversion and creates the new deal along with the related contact and account records, depending on what you selected. After conversion, you can usually navigate to the newly created deal to confirm that the data carried over properly and that the deal is in the right stage. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.